Think. You know, the hyena. Think again, because this isn't just another scavenger from the Lion King. This is one of the most misunderstood and fascinating predators on the planet. Let's debunk the biggest myth right from the start. Hyenas are not just lazy, skulking scavengers waiting for lions to finish their dinner. While it's true, they won't turn down a free meal. Who would? This is a massive oversimplification of their lifestyle. In reality, spotted hyenas are incredibly formidable and efficient hunters. Studies have shown that in many areas, a staggering percentage of their diet, sometimes up to 80% or even higher, comes from animals they hunt and kill themselves. They are persistence hunters, capable of long, grueling chases that can wear down even the speediest prey. Animals like wildebeest, zebra, and antelope are all on the menu. A single hyena can take down a wildebeest calf, but when they hunt in their coordinated clans, they can bring down prey several times their size. Their powerful jaws, equipped with one of the strongest bite forces in the animal kingdom, are not just for crushing bones from carcasses. They are lethal weapons used to deliver devastating blows to their quarry. So, the next time you picture a hyena, don't just see a picture a master hunter, a highly successful predator that has earned its place at the top of the food chain through sheer skill, endurance, and power. The image of the lowly scavenger is a caricature, a fiction that does a great disservice to this incredibly capable and self-sufficient hunter. They are the architects of their own feasts, far more often than they are guests at another's. Now, let's talk about who really runs the show in the hyena world, because it's not what you might expect. Hyena clans operate under a strict and fascinating social structure known as a matriarchy. This means that females are in charge, completely and utterly. Female hyenas are not only socially dominant, but they are also physically superior to the males. They are typically larger, heavier, and more muscular and aggressive. In the clan's hierarchy, the lowest-ranking female is still superior to the highest-ranking male. This dominance is established from a very young age. When a female gives birth, her rank is passed down to her daughters, who will inherit her social standing within the clan. Male hyenas, on the other hand, usually leave their birth clan once they reach maturity and must try to integrate into a new one, where they will always start at the very bottom of the social ladder. This female-led society is incredibly rare among mammals, and is a key to the hyena's success. The dominant females get first dibs on kills, ensuring they and their cubs are well fed, which in turn ensures the strength and continuation of the clan. This power structure is so pronounced that even the female's anatomy is unique, often leading to confusion and ancient myths. It's a world where girl power isn't just a slogan. It's the law of the land, enforced with sharp teeth and unwavering authority. Of course, you can't talk about hyenas without mentioning their most famous, and perhaps most unsettling, trait: their laugh. That spine-chilling sound that echoes across the savannah at night isn't a sign of amusement or villainous glee. It's a highly complex and vital form of communication. This iconic vocalization is most accurately described as a giggle, and it's typically produced during times of high excitement or social stress, such as during a feeding frenzy or when being confronted by another clan or predator. Each hyena's giggle is unique. The pitch and frequency can signal its age and social status to other hyenas who are listening. But the laugh is just one sound in a vast and sophisticated vocal repertoire. Hyenas also use a range of whoops, groans, and grunts to communicate over long distances. The far-carrying whoop is used to rally clan members for a hunt, defend a territory, or locate one another when separated. It's a sonic social network, a way of staying connected in the vast, open plains. By analyzing these different calls, hyenas can identify individuals, assess the number of allies or rivals nearby, and make crucial decisions about whether to fight or flee. So, what sounds like eerie laughter to our ears is, in fact, a rich language, a stream of vital information that holds the hyena clan together and helps them navigate their complex social world. It's not a joke, it's a matter of survival. Beneath that rugged exterior and that infamous laugh lies a mind of surprising brilliance. For a long time, hyenas were dismissed as brutish and unintelligent, but modern research has completely shattered that misconception. In fact, Spotted hyenas possess a level of social intelligence that rivals that of many primates, including chimpanzees. Their brains have a particularly large frontal cortex, the area associated with complex decision-making, social behavior, and this cognitive power is on full display when they hunt. Hyena clans don't just chase prey randomly. They can engage in highly cooperative and strategic hunting tactics. They use teamwork to isolate weaker individuals from a herd, relaying their pursuit and cutting off escape routes. They've been observed solving complex puzzles to get food, demonstrating an ability to learn and adapt. This intelligence extends to their social lives. Living in large, fluid clans of up to 80 individuals requires them to recognize each other, remember hierarchies, form coalitions, and navigate a web of intricate relationships. They can even count, in a sense, by assessing the number of voices in a rival clan call to decide if they have the numerical advantage in a confrontation. This combination of problem-solving skills and social savvy makes the hyena one of the most intellectually formidable carnivores in Africa, proving that brain power, not just brawn, is a critical component of their success. Finally, while their hunting prowess and intelligence are impressive, the hyena's role in the ecosystem might be its most vital contribution. They are nature's ultimate cleanup crew, a critical sanitation department for the African wilderness, with their incredibly powerful digestive systems and jaws that can crush every last bit of a hooves, and all hyenas leave almost nothing behind. This is crucial for the health of the environment. By consuming carrion, they help to prevent the spread of diseases like anthrax and rabies that could otherwise fester in decaying remains and infect other animal populations. They effectively sterilize the landscape. This cleanup service also helps to recycle nutrients back into the ecosystem more efficiently. By breaking down bones, they make calcium and other minerals available in the soil. Their role goes beyond just scavenging. Though, as active predators, they help to control herbivore populations, preventing overgrazing and ensuring a healthy balance between plants and plant eaters. They keep other predator populations in check and remove the weak and sick from herds, strengthening the gene pool of their prey species. In every sense, the hyena is a keystone species. Its removal would have a cascading and devastating effect on the entire ecosystem. They are not villains. They are ecological engineers, maintaining the delicate balance of life and death on the savanna and ensuring its long-term health and stability.